All right, so it is official that Theodore Tappa Whitmore is the Mount Pleasant Football Academy head coach. I've just made it official. Hopefully, guys, smash the like button. We're gonna discuss just a small aspect of what this means for the Premier League and what the Mount Pleasant fans will be looking out for. Big, big expectations on the back of Theodore Tappa Whitmore. Now, smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. Most definitely. This is an interesting one. I'm very much, as you guys know, I cover the coverage of the Premier League. This is one in which I'm looking forward to. And this will most definitely, I personally believe this will attract a lot more people in watching the local league. Why? First thing, people want to see what Tappa has to offer on a different scale from the Reggae Boyz. People want to see that. Thousands, possibly millions of Reggae Boy fans want to see that what he has to offer separate and apart from the head coach of the national team. They want to see what he can do. They want to see how his team plays, what is his intent. Because really and truly, in the national program, there's a lot of issues with the JFF. So he doesn't get the players that he wants. There's all these issues. But he's in an institution right now in Mount Pleasant where finances will be unlimited according to the local league. Backroom staff will get all the support, all the supporting elements that he would want to succeed at the job that he has right now. So people, for one, will be interested how his team plays, is managerial aspect in regards to how he manage the players, manage the games, all these things. So these are the things that people will be looking out for. That is why I believe personally that a lot of people will be tuning in to the local league a little bit more now to see what he has to offer. This is a big name coming into the local league to coach in the local league. I, for one, I am looking out for that to see what's happening, and I'm going to be very much intrigued in watching the Mount Pleasant game. Now, the Mount Pleasant team is well known for their possession-based type of football. For years, we have known Theodore Tappa Whitmore as not that type of player, type of coach, I should say. Not the possession-based type of coach where his team hold possession of the ball, play the ball over nice and stuff. Let's see if the philosophy will change. Let's see if it's going to be a more direct ball over the top on all these aspects of football. Let's see if that's going to change. And for sure, these are some of the things, as I mentioned, people will be looking out for. Will it be in a sense that because it's already a squad that has a lot of ball players, would it be a case in which you would have to move out some of these players to bring in his type of players to suit what he wants to do? These are the questions, and these are the answers that we will be looking for in the upcoming season. Congratulations on officially signing the paperwork. Theodore Tappa Whitmore. I'm still getting information on Ferguson, but I assume that he's also the assistant of Tappa Whitmore because that is what the reports came out early on, that he will be the assistant of Theodore Tappa Whitmore. Congratulations, Theodore Tappa Whitmore. Big, big move, and we'll see what you have to offer in the league. We're waiting, we're looking, and this is a highly anticipated league season coming up. Until next time, people, MG Sports TV, we are out.